Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing. This is going to be an installation video as well. This is the GeekTale Fingerprint Smart Deadbolt. This can be used with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It can be used an app to unlock your door deadbolt as well. Okay, so on top you have a little thing if you need help to install. We got some instructions. Whew. Hefty duty little metal plate there. This can also be unlocked with some keys. So here we have the bolt and the keys and the screws right in that bag. This is going to be our deadbolt side lock here. That is fairly solid, and I believe this, okay, yeah, that rotates out of the way. So you can put your key there or back into place nicely, and just looks like a fingerprint monitor right there. This is going to be the other side of our deadbolt. Goes on the inside of the door there, and there we have it. Nice and sleek looking, and we can lock that simply by turning that and put our batteries in there. So 4 batteries that takes also. So my friends, I'm gonna go, let's go install this and show you how it works. Hey friends, okay, first thing we want to do is stick our bolt in there. It's got a little up arrow. Make sure that where it says up right there, that is going in that way. So we're just gonna slide it in there, and we're gonna secure that with our screws. Make sure that is good. Okay, I should probably close my bolt first here. Okay. And then these just screws we have right here are just going to go in the end right here. So pretty self-explanatory. Usually everything we got right there is going to work just fine. The holes, the screws and all that for the old one. Okay. Next we could take this and go ahead and put it through there and thread this thing through that. It should say if that's going to go through there good or not. Okay, just like that. Okay, there's that. Now we'll work our way over to the other side here. Okay, once we got that there, let's put our cord through here. Get that on there. Make sure that those are going through there nice. This one also says up on here, so a little up arrow. And then we take our longer screws there. These are going to go into, it's probably the most difficult part. Those are just going to go right into the threads there. Okay, and just getting those lined up can be the hard part. So however you got to do that, maybe back it out a little bit and then put it in or whatever. All right, don't fight me. As I said before, this could be the most difficult part here. Okay, so I'm just going to try to get these with this screw here. Just a little bit easier than fighting it the whole way on there. Okay, just want to make sure that's pretty straight before we tighten that down all the way. There we go. All right, so that's it. Just get those 2 screws in there. Now for this one, we just remove we just plug this one in here, right in here. And make sure that's the correct way. So we're gonna flip this over and then plug it in. Sorry if you guys can't see this, it's just a kind of a tough angle here. But basically just plugging this plug in. So there we go. Plugs in and snaps, and then this goes here. What we're doing is just placing this into that area there. Let's see here. This is going to be this way. It's going to be straight up. It's going to be locked, I guess. So that's fine. Just as long as we know which way it's going. Okay, that goes on there like that. Okay. Those come off of there. And these should line up with the 2 screws we got on these sides. All right. I'm just going to try to see if I can see the screws on there. And then make sure that this is, my little weather stripping isn't getting in the way here. Because it's got this weather stripping that goes around it. And that needs to be like secured on there so it doesn't get in the way of that here. When we're trying to put this on here. And it doesn't want to go on there right now. Of course, the wind is blowing this doorway, so you can kind of push this on so it makes a nice seal around there. That's what I'm going to do, is just kind of press this on there all the way. Guess I should have had that done prior to, but I think it just came off. Okay, so there it is. Now I can line up my thing there. Want it this way, and then that's going to just rotate up, I guess, to lock or unlock. Okay, now I get my screws, and hopefully this is just going to go. Of course, my screw didn't want to cooperate there, so I guess I just dropped my screws and I can't find them here. We'll see how this works out for me. Okay, that's going on nice. All right, I'll just find my other screw here. There we are. Okay. All right. That is fairly sturdy there. There's our bolt going out. I think that's good. Okay, friends, here we go. We are on the inside. We're just coming out here. If I want to lock this, I just press the button to lock it after me and unlock it with my thumbprint there. And just as easy as that, I'll just have to paint around that a little bit. And that matches my other one, nice stainless steel. Really solid though. I'm super happy with the installation and the setup on the app. Everything works nicely. No real issues here at all. Happy with it. So thanks for watching this install, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Okay, friends, here's the app. Super easy. Just unlock, click to unlock. Once you've discovered a thing, set it for right or left opening, click it to lock. And then for fingerprint management, you just put your thing in there, add your thumbprint. Super easy to work with. Took me, I don't know, about a minute to connect to the thing. We'll just open up the app, find your device after you press the front of the door thing, the fingerprint, and then you can just basically, once you download the app, find your device right on there. Super easy to do. Install, super easy. Just those screws were a little bit difficult. Yeah, but now I can just open it and close it with my fingerprint. I'll show you guys. Oh, one more thing I just wanted to show you guys. You can use the key if you want to also just move that out of the way and then either lock or unlock. Super easy, clean, that just pops right out of the way and no issues.